It's a bad man thing, I hear me. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of FabFitFun. It's the fall box. So this is my second box from FabFitFun. I signed up in the summer and I got the summer box, and I didn't feel like recording a video because I just didn't feel like. So I got the fall box. I'm gonna unbox it. But FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box where you pay $49.99 and you get a box every you get it every quarterly, yeah. So when there's a new season, you get it before the season starts. So yeah, we'll see what the fall brings. So when you open the box, you get this. It's a little magazine, a FabFit magazine. I guess in here it tells you like more details about the product, which I'm not gonna open because I don't want to see it. We're all gonna see it together, and there's that and that. So yeah. Ooh. So the first thing is from Harper and Ari, and it's an exfoliating sugar cubes. Ooh. Oh my God. That smells so good. Like, look at it. I am so tempted to just put one in my mouth, but I'm not gonna do that. But it's tempting, but look at it. It is nice. And it smells good. It smells edible. Okay. It's temptation everywhere. And I got the Avita, and it's the Dry Remedy Daily Hair Repair. Nice. I don't know if that's gonna work on my hair, but we'll see. And I got Tristic. It's a mini eye essentials. So, ooh. Yeah, so it comes with a brow pencil, a shadow crayon. Well, it comes with two shadow crayon and an eye pencil in different colors. But I don't know. I think I'm gonna save whatever I don't use. I'm gonna save it for a giveaway, cause especially the makeup stuff, cause I really don't use makeup like that, and I don't know how to apply it. So this is nice. Yeah. And the next thing is a wallet. Nice. I can finally stop putting things in my pocket. And my friends will stop giving me crap about it. They're like, Lee, you need a wallet. I'm like, yes, whatever. But this is really nice. This is a black and white scraps leather wallet. And it's from cloth. It's really cute. I like it. Yeah. And we have this from Humankind. It's a body souffle. And it's vegan and cruelty free, so that's nice. I'm not gonna open it, but I want to smell it. Yeah, so I'm over here deciding if I want to open it and smell it or not. Oh, what the hell? Yeah, I don't know what that smells like. And the next item we have the cosmetics. It's a pure vitamin C. What is this? I think this is like a serum for your face. But yeah. And the next item is from Skin & Co. Roma. And it's a truffle therapy. And it's a face toner. So this is really nice because I have been more into skincare. You know, gotta start early. So when you get older, your skin can still look good. So I've been really into skincare. So it'll be nice to try it. So I have some from my summer box. I got something else from Skin & Co. I don't remember what it is, so we'll see. Ooh, look at this color. I love it. This is pretty. Oh, it's a flat iron. A makeup. Oh, so this is what it's a Mika. This is like a travel. No, this is not a travel size. It's a full flat iron. That's good because I have a flat iron, but you can never go wrong with 2 flat irons. And it goes up to 450. So yeah, this is nice. So that was everything I got in my box. I'm gonna try to put everything in my hand. So this is everything I got, plus the flat iron. It wasn't bad, so now I'm about to see how much it costs. Okay, so for the flat iron, we just want to see. The flat iron is $80. $80. That's good because I would not personally spend $80 on a flat iron. So yeah, and for the purse, this is $60. Wow, I didn't expect it to be that expensive. And what else? The cosmetic, that's $54. Where is it? I lost it. Oh, it's right here. $54 for this. Yeah. Whew. And for this is $48. The mini eye essentials, that is $48. These things are really expensive. For the Humankind, that's $18. For this one, that's $30. This is $16. And this one is $30. So let me do the math and see how much all of that came up to. You know what? I'm not gonna do the math because I don't want to. So I'm just gonna let them tell me how much all of my stuff total value. So the total value is $336. So on your account in FabFit, they tell you how much everything costs. So that's not bad, even though the summer box that I got, it was like I got over $400 worth of things. But I don't know how I feel about this box. I feel like it wasn't much of a fall thing. Like it didn't have much of a fall vibe. So yeah, so that's that. But everything, I like what I got. I'm not going to use most of the things, so they're going to go in a giveaway pile. Yeah. So yeah, guys, so thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.